and welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie. Today I'm doing a fun Dollar Tree haul for you, and today's video is going to be a mixture of a bunch of different items that I hauled from the Dollar Tree, but pretty much I was checking out to see what items they might already have out for Christmas, because I do want to get my Christmas DIYs ready for November. All right, so I'm going to start by showing you guys some candy that I picked up for Halloween. I try not to get the candy from Dollar Tree just because I find that you can get some better valued from like Walmart. You can get more for a better value, but I did really like these fuzzes or fizzes. I remember these when I was a kid, so I thought this was a really great deal. So I picked up 3 bags of these. And then I picked up 2 bags of, these are just like bubble gum. So if you look through their stock, they do have some really good items for a good price, but you do have to be careful because some of the items, like I said, you can just get a better deal if you get like big bulk from Walmart, for example. So those are the candies that I picked up for Halloween from the Dollar Tree. And then here are some really fun kid items that I grabbed. So starting off with these socks. The reason I grabbed these is, well, they're really cute, little capped image on them, but also because they have the rubber on the feet, and not a lot of socks for kids have those. Sorry guys, that's my dog playing in the background, so if you hear weird noises, it's my puppy. So anyways, I got these because, again, they were cute and because of the rubber, and it's hard to find. Like, I bought some from Toys R Us, and they didn't have the rubber, which, if you got little toddlers, you know they slip and slide. So I thought those were really cute. And then I grabbed these from the Halloween section. I thought these would be so much fun for just dress up. I did not get these for Halloween. This is more for just dress up. Little kids love to dress up, and I just thought it would be a lot of fun. So this is a unicorn skirt. I already picked up the unicorn headband, which I hauled. I think it was my last haul. So I have 2 headbands with the unicorn horn. And then they had this unicorn tail that I didn't see last time, which I thought was really cute. And then it has a rubber band. Not sure how that rubber band works though, because it's not super stretchy. So we'll have to figure out a way to DIY that on. But super cute. So those are the kid items that I picked up. All right, and then for glass, this isn't new. I've seen this many times before, but I picked this up for a Christmas DIY. Same with this, but I've never seen this before. I thought this was super pretty. It says made with love. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like a tint of blue in the glass. They also had one that had like a tint of green. So I thought this was super pretty for a DIY. This would also look really great with some chalkboard paint. And you can make it look like farmhouse. Sorry, I was thinking of the word there. Farmhouse, and it would look really good as well. So grabbed that because I don't think they're going to last very long. And then here's all of the stuff that I grabbed for Christmas. And yeah, let's go through it. So I grabbed quite a bit. And it's all for DIYs. So I won't mention as I go through because every single thing is for a DIY. So stay tuned. That'll be coming to my channel in November. If you're new to my channel, subscribe so you can see those fun DIYs if you are interested. All right, guys, so starting off with faux snow, I'm really glad that I found this because my Dollar Trees, they tend to sell out really, really quick. Last year I was looking everywhere for it and I couldn't find it. So if you need some, grab it while you can because this stuff goes super fast. I also picked up these ribbons, so decorative mesh. They had several different colors. They had several different designs as well, but I just went with the plain red, which has like a little hint of like a sparkle in it, kind of. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera. I picked up a white as well. I don't know if you guys can see that hint of sparkle. There we go. It almost looks like a hue of pink. But yeah, I thought these two would go really well together. But like I said, they had many, many, many different ones to choose from. All right, I picked up this tree ornament. Thought that was a lot of fun. They also had this in a Santa Claus. And then here's another ornament. This says Noel. They had some that said Merry Christmas. One that had Happy Greetings. And then this ornament as well, the angel that says hope. How pretty is that? This did have different words, so there's different options to choose from. And then this ornament here, this is new. I think the angel was new too. Actually, no. The snowman, the angel, this, and that little Noel sign are all new. They weren't at my Dollar Tree last year. Oh, and this I thought was super cute. I can't wait to use this. It's another ornament, but it's just little legs. Little elf legs. Look at how cute that is. So much fun. All right, and then of course grabbed some garland. This stuff goes super fast as well, so if your Dollar Tree has some, grab it. Even if you don't know what you need it for, it's just great to have if you like to do DIYs. So 15 feet, great deal for $1. My Dollar Tree is $1.25, but I know a lot of you, it's $1. You can't go wrong, and this stuff sells out quick. And then of course, picture frames. I'm always picking up picture frames. So I picked up 3 completely different colors and completely different sizes. So I have this 4x6 white. I really would have loved if all of the frames were white, but they only had white in a 4x6. So I picked that one up. I've hauled this one before, the 5x7 that looks like faux wood with that trim of bronze on the end. That's a 5x7, and this is a 5x7 as well, but it has the wider frame. Sorry for the glare, guys. There we go. And it has a silver edged frame. So I don't plan on painting any of these for my DIYs, and that's why I went with these colors, because they're going to match my decor very nicely, and they go really well together as well. All right, guys, and the very last item that I got, I have to say is probably my absolute favorite. For all of you guys that follow me and watch my planner videos, you know how much I love planner items, and I have been waiting for these to come to Canada for probably about 10 months now. I've been seeing people in the US haul them. So if you're living in the US, you probably already have these at your Dollar Tree, but it has been a long time waiting at my Dollar Tree. So these are stickers for your planner. I mean, you can use them for anything. You can give them to your kid to play with, sticker book, put them in cards, really whatever you like. But they're so much fun. And for $1, how can you go wrong? Items like this at Michael's go for at least $10. So absolutely love. If you haven't seen these before, I'm gonna quickly show you guys on the back what you're getting. And there you have it, guys. So that's it for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you love seeing DIYs, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll have a lot of DIYs coming out to you very soon in November, and more hauls, of course. All right, guys, thanks so much for taking the time to watch my video. Again, I hope you enjoyed, and love and peace to every one of you. Have a great day. Bye.